Begin with breaking news. Orem police confirm remains found in a shallow grave near the town of Eureka belong to Emily Almiron and her 3-year-old son Gabe. This comes after her boyfriend Christopher Polson confessed last month to their murder. ABC4's Rosie Nguyen joins us live from Orem with what investigators are now saying. Rosie.
So Ray, you may remember this case from 4 years ago. Investigators say Christopher Polson was high on meth when he critically injured his girlfriend's 3-year-old baby Gabe. Now, when he realized the baby was dead, he panicked and shot his girlfriend Emily Almiron in the head. Their remains have not been found until now. I'd like to bring in Orem Police Lieutenant Trent College. Lieutenant, did Polson play a role in you guys locating Gabe and Emily's remains?
Yeah, he did. He played a minimal role. He was able to give us an area or a location that he believed that he had buried them. However, it wasn't the exact location, and so based on some efforts by our detectives and other individuals, the Juab County Sheriff's Office, Juab County Search and Rescue, we were able to use their expertise and training to actually locate the burial site and recover the bodies.
Now, I know a month ago when we spoke to you guys, he had confessed to their murders. So with him assisting you guys in locating the bodies, could that help lessen maybe his sentence?
Yeah, that would be a better question for the Utah County Attorney's Office, but I know, at least I'm aware of some stipulations in his plea that he made that if the bodies were located that he'd be able to maybe possibly change his plea to a lesser charge, but that's going to be something worked out through the courts and something the judge would have to agree to and all the attorneys involved.
What can you tell us about the area where Emily and Gabe's remains were found?
So it's out there near Eureka, Utah. It's pretty desolate. A lot of sagebrush, a lot of cedar trees. I don't think it's frequented by many people. I'm sure there are people that do come and go from there, but the likelihood of somebody finding this on their own would have been very minimal.
What happens from here in this case?
Hopefully this has helped our detectives to get some closure in this case. They've invested a lot of time and effort. They're personally invested, as well as the family. We're hoping that our efforts have at least brought a little bit of comfort to them. And then the court process will continue with Mr. Polson, and what happens from here will be determined by the judge and the attorneys involved.
We appreciate your time so much. Thank you, Lieutenant.
Thanks.
Trent College with Orem Police Department. Rick Saray will stay on top of when Christopher Polson will appear in court next, and we'll follow what his sentence will be, and we're hoping to talk to his family in the near future as well. Rick Saray, back to you.